Hello, Mr. Lopez. What are you doing today?
All right, thank you. I am moving up in my project, my hybrid and full electric project. This is the prototype. Let me explain something what I have. Originally, we have this diesel engine that we remove and we repair in class, like you can see on the video. It was a hard video. The engine was completely destroyed. Our student in the class of diesel, they recovered the engine completely. And look at the engine. The engine is running right now in perfect condition. That's wonderful engine. And we use the same transmission, and we want to replace in that boat the original diesel engine for a new electric motor. Of course, we calculate the electric motor appropriated to replace that engine. Oh, what is the process? Yes, I explained that process in my class, and I explained that process in my book of hybrid boats. All right, the book is coming probably next month, but the class is available, but you need to take the electrical courses before to understand that. All right, guys, this is the process. Select the motor. Of course, the motor appropriated is a three-phase motor, three-phase AC motor, three-phase. All right, and this is the secret. I am going to use batteries. I am going to use solar panels to recharge the batteries. The battery bank in this particular case should be 48 volts. I used 4 batteries in lithium batteries, 4 batteries connected in series, and this is my final negative and this is my final positive. And that negative and positive will be entering here in this inverter or controller. In the inverter, I receive positive and negative coming from the battery bank and convert in 3 phases, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And now, those 3 phases will enter here in this board. And this is the output, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, and they will be connected here with the electric motor. And the electric motor will be accelerated with this control for more RPMs, less RPMs. Because I want to use the same transmission. This is the transmission, the original transmission connected to the diesel engine Yanmar, forward, neutral, and reverse. And I want to continue with the same coupling, the same shaft, the same propeller, the same propulsion system. The only that I want is to replace the electric motor, the gasoline motor for that electric motor. Of course, I need to fabricate this special coupling. That's the secret, the most difficult part. I used the original damper plate, the flex plate of the original engine and transmission, and I create that coupling. Yes, you need to fabricate that to connect the shaft of the electric motor engaged with the input shaft of the transmission. This is the secret. The flex plate is the secret part. All right, and now they are connected, and I am going to connect with cable a regular shift control for forward, neutral, and reverse. At the end of the day, I have shift control mechanical with cable and the manual control electronic here for more RPMs or less RPMs of my electric hybrid boat. My friends, this is a wonderful opportunity to do that project in your boat. Try to do. You need a lot of abilities in carpentry, welding, fabrication, but the majority of my followers, they are good workers, good welders, good mechanics. You can do that. If you have a small boat, convert the boat. Oh, Mr. Lopez, and what about the hybrid? Yes, it's exactly the same. The only that I am going to incorporate is a small generator. The small generator will be used exclusively to recharge the battery bank. I am going to program the system. I'm going to explain later that process, that when the level of charge in the battery bank decreases 30%, the system sends the order to the generator start, recharge the battery bank, and recover the level of charge. When the level of charge is more than 98%, the generator stops. During that time, I continue driving my boat, using my boat. I don't need to stop to recharge the system. This is a perfect hybrid. You can do that. Try.